how to change the filter on Xiaomi G20 Max vacuum cleaner. So it's very easy. I got it right here. Mine is heavily used, so it's time to clean it. All you're gonna have to do is to just rotate it to the bottom, and here you can see this little part, and we want to open this bin. So pull this little part to this side and grab the left side. And we got two different filters. If you rotate this part, you can see this filter. So grab it and clean it. Once you are done, put it back. It should improve your suction level and to maintain your vacuum cleaner to last longer. So this is the first filter. And to clean the second filter, just rotate this, grab it and pull it, and this is the second filter. You can also use the other vacuum cleaner and then put it back to its place, rotate, make sure it clicks. Now we're gonna grab this part and put it back, make sure to click this part, and it's done, and you can use it with cleaned filters. So if you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.